Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus CLion. VS Code, a free and open-source code editor, offers incredible versatility and a massive marketplace with hundreds of thousands of extensions. CLion, on the other hand, is a commercial, full-featured IDE from JetBrains, meticulously crafted for C and C++ development. We will delve into their distinct advantages, helping you understand which tool best suits your programming needs and workflow. When it comes to features, VS Code shines with its incredible extensibility, allowing you to tailor it for virtually any language or task. CLion, however, provides a more out-of-the-box, comprehensive experience for C and C++ developers. It boasts superior refactoring capabilities, powerful static code analysis, and a highly integrated debugger. Its intelligent code completion and error highlighting are specifically optimized for the nuances of C++ development, offering a truly specialized environment. Regarding performance, VS Code generally has a lighter footprint. It tends to start up faster and consume less memory, making it a preferred choice for quick edits or systems with limited resources. CLion, being a comprehensive IDE, naturally demands more from your system. It might take a few more seconds to launch and typically uses several hundred megabytes or even a few gigabytes of RAM, especially with large C++ projects. Your experience will certainly depend on your machine's specifications. So, which one is right for you? VS Code is ideal if you're involved in web development, scripting, or working across multiple programming languages. Its flexibility and vast extension library make it incredibly adaptable. CLion, conversely, is the undisputed champion for serious C and C++ development. If you're building large, intricate C++ applications and require advanced debugging, refactoring, and static analysis, CLion provides a superior, integrated experience. Your specific project needs will ultimately guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.